Hello, second grade. Today in spelling in our last workbook page for this year, because next year we'll be starting a new list, but not till January, so that's awesome. So this is list 13. We're almost done. So this is the last workbook, page 53 today. So get your workbook, turn in with me. Okay, this is all your favorite, the dictionary skill page. And I hear you all at home going, boo, because you don't like the dictionary ones. But we got to do it. It's important to know. So up here at the top, we have this box, and it says entry words. The words listed in a dictionary are called entry words. They are easy to find because they are usually printed in dark or colored letters. The entry words are divided into syllables. The syllables are separated by dots. And there we can see we've got candle, candy, can't, car. So this one has two. This one has two syllables. One syllable, one syllable. And then you can see this is the type of word it is used in this sense is a noun. So it's used as a person, place, or thing, and a candle is a thing. We talked about that in English. A solid stick of, this is the definition then of what a candle is. It's a solid stick of wax with a wick inside, which is burned to give light. And then this is another form that it can be used. You add an S if you want to, if it's more than one. Now I'm not going to go through all of those, but that's what that means there on that. And we would do this just in school, just like we're doing it at home, just like we would do in school. So we're going to, and I guess I should read the directions, use the dictionary section above, which is right up here, to answer the question. What are the four entry words? Our four entry words are here in blue. So you're going to write them neatly there. Now, this is where you have to use your workbook to help you out. As a reference, you have to turn to page 133 in the back to answer the question. So number one, what is the first entry word on the page? So I even have a book with me. I'm going to turn to page 133 with you. Well, there we go. We have our little dictionary back here, and it says, what is the first entry word on the page? So if you come back up, let me move my screen here. Our first entry word up here was candle in blue, and it's separated by a dot if it has more than one syllable. If it doesn't, it's just a whole word, okay? So now we're going to move back down to number one. So the first entry word on page 133 is coast. Very good. If you said coast at home, you are correct. And I'll do this one with you. Coast. Okay. Then you're going to look up number two. You're going to look up what is the fifth entry word. So you're going to count down to 5. This is still on page 133. And then number 3, how many entry words begin with the letter D on this page? So you have to be super counters, okay? Then at the bottom, you just have 2 questions to go, but you have to turn to page 135 to answer those questions. So you just got to flip the page one time. Now it wants to know what's the last entry word on the page. And I'm not going to give that one to you. I want you to find it. Number 5, how many entry words begin with the letter E on this page? Okay, not too difficult. You can turn this in in Jupyter when you are done. And you're done. Tomorrow we will have a practice test, and then Friday is the big test. But you guys should be good. You've been practicing these words for about a week and a half now, so I don't have any doubts you'll do very well. All right, guys, take care.